Love and light for me, Zelda, to you. Mental health, part two of confidence. You're more than welcome to look at my previous series about self love, self esteem, true love, and insecurities. This one is about confidence. We look today at signs of low confidence and the factors affecting it. So, what is the signs of a low confidence? Number one, feelings of self doubt. Number two, passive or submissive behavior. Number three, difficult trusting others. Number four, feeling inferior to others. Number five, overly sensitive to criticism. Number six, feeling unloved. But if you're feeling unloved, it doesn't mean automatically you have a low confidence. Sometimes there's people that is truly hated by family and friends and treated bad. But when there is not such factors playing a role, it could be one of the signs of a low confidence. So what is the factors that may affect confidence? Let's look. One, results at work or at school or whatever project or goal you set. Number two, the media and social media. They can put fake things out there that is not authentic. That is just, oh, look, this, and then it's not going that well with them. Body image and feeling about appearance. If you're too much about yourself and, oh, look how I look and what must other people think? It's not what about other people think. It's what you think about yourself and what God think of you. Level of support people have around them. If you have surround you with negative people and people that just always have bad stuff saying to you about you, never say anything good to you, that can make you have less confidence. It can affect your confidence. Achievement or skills levels. So if you don't want to grow, and some people will grow much further than you, it can. So surround you with the people that is from your status. And what I mean by status is not being rich or poor, what about the level of growth, the level of mental health, the level they are. You can't go be between people that is overly confident and think now you're going to get confident. Then you're going to be less confident. Always go to people just a step higher than you so that you can reach it, so it is reachable. Physical and mental health issues. Feeling the need to confirm or fit in with peers. Perfectionism. Comparison to others. Bullying or abuse. Stigma or discrimination. Moving away from a safe or familiar place or loved one. Family or relationship problems. It all can affect your self confidence and your confidence. And it's actually pretty sad, right? So don't let other people be authentic. See who you are and be true to yourself and to God, not to worldly things. Follow, like, and share for the next part. I would like interaction, it will be very nice, but please no private DMs. Thank you.